Hi! In this video we're going to see how to implement tests for checking the functionality of our code when writing programs in Python. In this case, testing allows us to check whether or not some of our functions perform as expected. For this example, let's say that we have here a file called functions.py, and here there are some functions such as divisible, 2 and 3. In order to test this function, we can write here another function, let's say test divisible, 2 and 3, and here inside let's put some statements that can be evaluated to true or false. In this case, let's say that we know that if we call this function by sending the number 100, the result should be 16. So we can write here as an assert that calling this function with this parameter, the result should be 16. So if this is true, that means that calling this, the result is 16, this test will not cause any error. So this will be executed without any problem. In order to execute this, let's say that we have here another function, another file called main.py, and here we can call this test function. So if we call here the function, this should not print anything, since the function performs as expected without any errors. So if we let's say that if this function doesn't work as expected, for example, let's say that here there are some error, so the result will not be 16. So this function, since the result is different, this sends some assertion error. That means that the result of this function is not 16 as expected. In this case, this function shows some error, that is this, that prevents the function to obtain the expected result. And additionally, here inside the test we can add other assert statements in order to check different conditions. For example, the result of performing with 50 should be 8, and also if we send 0, the result should be 0 as well. So if we run here the test, everything goes okay, since all the asserts perform as expected. So in this way we can write tests for checking the correct behavior of our functions. Thanks for watching.